property of addition is possible on integers, subtraction is not possible, and multiplication is possible, and division it's not possible on integers. So let's go to the next property, that is rational numbers. Associative property of rational numbers addition. To take two rational numbers and do addition of it. For example, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2, the group. So we write 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is plus 5 by 2. We have taken. So when we simplify this one on the both the sides, associative property it is. Let's observe these two are in the group, and second two numbers are in the group. Here first two numbers are in the group. We have taken as a group, that is associative property. We have discussed earlier. Now, which is in the bracket, that let's simplify. So this is plus or addition we are taking. So when we simplify this one, 1 by 2. So 8 by 2. So this is 9 by 2 will be getting. So the left hand side, right hand side, let's see. So 4 by 2 plus 5 by 2. This is also 9 by 2. We're getting the same results on both the sides. So associative property of addition over rational numbers is applicable. So let's see for subtraction. As we have done for integers, it is not possible for subtraction. Addition is possible, and subtraction is not possible because 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2, it's never be equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So it's not possible. Multiplication, yes, it's possible. And division, it's not possible of associative property. And this is the associative property of rational numbers for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we have discussed. So let's go to the distributive property. Distributive property, multiplication over addition, multiplication over subtraction. We have learned in previous class about distributive property. When we distribute one of the value among two values or two or more than two values, we call them distributive property. For example, we take a number 3 into 5 plus 2. We take this 3 and distribute 2, 5 and 2. So 3 into 5. 3 into 5 plus 3 into 2, and this is called as distributive property because we have distributed the 3 among 5 and 2. So 3 into 5, 3 into 2. So we done in this manner. So 3 into 5, 15, 3 into 2, 6. So we simplify this both. 15 plus 6 is 21, and 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 2 is 7. So 21 is equal to 21. Both the sides we got the same result, and we say distributive property multiplication over addition. This is because multiplication over addition, because there is a plus symbol in the brackets. So multiplication we have done on addition. That is the reason we call multiplication over addition. So we take over on natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. Let's try for this. This is we have done this for natural numbers, it's possible. So for subtraction, it's also possible. Yes, for subtraction is also possible. For numbers, yes, it's possible. And subtraction is also possible. And when we take integers, for example, minus 2 to 3 plus 3 minus 5. That is equals to minus 2 into 3, minus of minus plus 3 into 5. So 2 into 5. So when we simplify minus 2, this is minus 2 again. So 4 will be getting, and this side minus 6 plus 10. So it is 4 will be getting. So one of the sides 16. So multiplication over subtraction is also possible. Okay. So this is yes. Addition is yes, and subtraction is also yes on integers. So rational numbers, multiplication over addition, yes, it's possible. Subtraction, as we know, is possible because we take any one of the example, that is let's take an example. Let's take an example. It is 1 by 2 plus multiplication over addition we are doing. So 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2, that is equals to 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 5 by 2. We have to simplify on both the sides. We have distributed this 1 by 2 from these two values. So let's see these are equal or not. So 1 by 2, and we simplify this both, we'll be getting 8 by 2. So this is 8 by 2, is 8 by 4 is 2 will be getting, result as 2, final result as 2 because 8 into 8, 8 into 1, 8, 2 to the 4, and 8 by 4 is 2. So let's simplify this one on right hand side. This is 3 by 4 and 5 by 4 and 8 by 4. 8 by 4 is also 2. On both the sides we got the same result, and this is multiplication over addition on multiplication over addition on rational numbers we have done. So yes, we have written. Similarly, we will take over subtraction, also we will get the same answer. We have written yes. So until now we have discussed about properties of rational numbers, on natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers, of closure property, commutative property, associative property and distributive property. So let's go to the next concept.